What's going on, everybody? Jacob here from the Nutrition Store, and I am joined with Miss Franchezka Westwood from Healthletic Meals.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. When it comes this time of year, it's fall. It is obviously pumpkin pie season. Per your request, yes, you watching this video right now, if you're watching it, you have requested that we make some more protein food options. And with that being said, we've got an awesome recipe today. It is Syntha 6 pumpkin pie. We're gonna let Fran take it away.
Let's do it. Okay, for this recipe, you're gonna need 2 eggs, half a cup of sweetener of choice, either stevia or swerve, 1/4 of a cup of almond milk, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 of a cup fat-free or low-fat cottage cheese, and 1 scoop of Syntha 6 pumpkin pie, and 1 can of pumpkin puree. Alright, so first we're gonna heat up the oven.
Okay. What do we set it to?
350.
Okay, setting it to 350.
We have the 2 eggs. We're gonna do 1/4 of a cup of cottage cheese.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do the whole can of pumpkin puree and 1/4 of a cup of almond milk. Okay.
Nice.
So you can use either a regular blender, NutriBullet, or a hand blender. Check this baby. So it's jiggly, so not yet.
A little longer?
Yes. I'll leave it 4 more minutes, and then afterwards we're gonna take the temperature of the oven down to 300 and leave it for 15 more minutes.
That's so bad. It's been like literally 2 or 3 days.
So comes out clean. So we're good.